Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install AMPlayer on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So if you have your Chromecast ready, head over with me to step 1. We're going to enable developers options so that we can actually download and install apps from unknown sources and even download and install unknown apps. So click on quick settings, go to all settings, and then navigate down till you find system. So click on system, click on about, and just scroll down to find the build version. Click on this 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And after the 7th time, you are now a developer. So this enables you to actually install an app from an unknown source or install unknown apps. Now that you have this ability, you could head back over to the dashboard. And now that you're in app library, head over to the APK Time app. This is the app we'll be using to download AMPlayer. Just click on it and that will launch the application. Now, when the app launches, you have to go to this folder that says players and browsers. So I'm clicking on this. That's where I'll find the AMPlayer app. So it's right here. Just click on the download button here. When the green is on the button, it means that's where the toggle is. So just toggle to the download button and click on it. This will download the app. You find the progress bar. When the download is complete, you find the installation process starting. So my download is already complete. I have the app already downloaded. Now you see installation going on. Now if your first time, you may find a message saying unknown apps or unknown sources. Just go down below that message and find the APK Time app. Click on it to allow it, so that will enable it. Install apps from unknown sources or install unknown apps. That was the emphasis I was laying about step 1. So make sure you've done step 1 before you download and install. So when you enable APK Time, you find this install button after clicking back. So click on install, and in a heartbeat, that app is installed to the Chromecast system. All you need to do is click on open or access it from your app launcher. So that's basically for this tutorial. If you found that insightful, it was informative, if it was useful and you now have the AMPlayer app, drop me a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video with insights and tips just like this.